So imagine that if someone, they have two types of treasures. One is they have the most precious treasure is a diamond. It's the biggest diamond in the world and precious diamond in the world. So this is one, they have a diamond, very big, 1 kilogram diamond, and it's the most precious and very, very expensive and priceless, this jewel. And then they have in their treasure, somewhere in their treasure, a mosquito, dead mosquito. Imagine, try to understand the example. A person who have a big treasure, a wealth, everything. In their treasure, the highest, you may say, valuable thing is that 1 kilogram diamond. There's gold, silver, everything. But there is one dead mosquito lying there as well. If this person has given you the most precious thing, the diamond, which is invaluable. Now imagine if you ask for the mosquito wing, would he not give you that? Is there any problem with that? When the person have given you the diamond, what about this mosquito thing? Mosquito is nothing. And if he doesn't give you, there must be a reason, it might be poisonous. Because he's given you the diamond, mosquito is nothing. So in Allah Azza wa Jall's treasure, Iman is the greatest diamond, the most valuable, because it qualified you forever and ever being blessed in Jannah. Is something which actually the most valuable diamond in the treasure of Allah is Iman. And what is the dunya? Dunya, regarding that, the Prophet ﷺ said, look, this hadith, if the world to Allah were equal to a mosquito wing, then he would not allow the disbeliever to have a sip of water from it. So all the treasures in this dunya, the cars, the beauty, the attractions, the houses, the gold, it's not equal to mosquito wing even, because it's all going to perish. It's all going to zero. So hadith narrated by Imam Ahmad bin Hanbal rahimahullah in his book. So if the world is dunya and things which we are asking, Allah, give me job, give me spouse, give me a baby, give me child, angels say, we thought you never came for this. You came to connect with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. These things Allah will bless you as a test, or actually will withhold as a test and give you in Jannah. But we think this is our world, this is our Jannah, and we are going to make this place our Jannah, which will never be. So in Allah's sight, all dunya and everything we are asking is like a mosquito. Iman is like a treasure. So Allah has given you the most precious treasure in His treasure. Why will He not give you the mosquito? He will give you if it's beneficial for you. But if He knows that this mosquito, when this person will pick up, it's so poisonous, it will actually have allergic reaction and destroy your skin, and the poison is going to penetrate through the skin to the heart, and if it gets to the heart, you will finish. Then that person will not give you. So sometime the dunya, the things of dunya which we are asking, to us they look very, very good, very precious. But for Allah Azza wa Jalla, they are like a mosquito. So He does, giving that is no problem, no issue. But He doesn't give because He also knows that in dunya, sometimes there is a poison of ghafla, poison of sin, poison of something which can destroy this world and hereafter.